Is a winter weather warning message for the following county: England, Sussex, Delaware. Issued at 3:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Blizzard warning in effect from 1 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 12 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. Where? Delaware beaches and inland Sussex counties. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Strong winds could cause tree damage. Additional details: snowfall rates could exceed 2 inches per hour. Locally higher snowfall amounts and significant drifting of snow possible. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Repeating, a blizzard warning has been issued from 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following county: England, Sussex, Delaware. Issued at 3:28 a.m.